So today I want to show you how to mark out your deck posts. A simple and easy way to get all posts 100% level, and you can do it by yourself. Let's get started. So what I did here, you see I put my deck, this is where I want my deck to finish. And then I take my ledger board measurement, which should be 8 inches. And I take my beam measurement, which would be 10 inches. From here down to the bottom would be 10 inches from my beam. I make a bad boy here to sit this piece of wood onto it. I make a one-man stand over here. I clamp that end and I clamp this end over here. Each time I go around, I remove it and I take the measurement. Once I catch the level, I put my level onto this to make sure that it's level with over here. So we install all three here. Now we're gonna go over here and install this one so that you guys can see. So all I'm gonna do is just swing it around. This is how I do it for all the other ones. Just move him around. So now that I have it there, I just want to put my level, make sure that it's level. Now it's telling me that I need to go up, so I'm gonna go up until I have it level. So right here is where it's level now. So once it's level, we're gonna take a measurement from down here to the bottom of my template board here. If I measure underneath the bottom, it's telling me here that it's 17 and 3/8. We're just gonna measure 17 and 3/8. Gonna go for our cuts now. Now that will make our cut. As you see, we're using a pressure treated wood. Once you make the cut, you need to treat it over. So now we're gonna go over there, treat it, and afterwards we're gonna put it in place. So here I have my cut and seal this product. You can get it at your Home Depot. Cut and seal, the one I'm using. All I'm doing here, I'm just paint it in there. Just sap it. Make sure it suck up as much as possible. You want to protect your asset, guys. If you don't seal it back, then it's a possibility that it might rot over the years. All right, so now all we have to do is just put it right in place. You see it's right at the bottom of our posts. So now we know that all of our posts should be right in line with each other now. It's important to always check over there to make sure that it's sitting down on your jig. Well, there you have it. Give the video a thumbs up and follow for more.